Today, we are here in Santo Rosario Parish Church in San Pedro, Laguna, and we are doing the Walk for Life.
I am Brother Danilo A. Sanchez. I am the Luzon South Deputy. I'm here and happy to be walking with the other Knights because we walk for life to protect children. We are about 3,000 Knights with around 300 councils here.
We walk from Santo Rosario to San Pedro Apostol about more or less 3 kilometers.
I heard the Walk for Life 2 weeks ago from my partner, Vincent, a first-degree Knights of Columbus. Gusto namin ipakita sa mga tao na importante ang buhay and ang buhay ay worth na i-protect at piliin po.
My name is Sister Maria Causa Nostri Leticia, Observance of the Lord and the Virgin of Matara. It is important to walk for life because it inspires people.
Importante po ang Walk for Life upang imulat ang ating mga kababayan, lalo tigit ang mga kababaihan, sapagkat doon nagsisimula yung tinatawag na abortion, yung mga unwanted pregnancy. Sa protection ng life ng ating mga kababayan, sapagkat una, mandato ito ng Knights of Columbus. Out of our 4 basic services na binibigay tulad ng faith, family, community, and life. Ito po ang daan upang ipamulat natin sa ating mga kababayan na dapat mahalin ang buhay.
The Knights support life by doing clinical or medical missions and small things like feeding program for the poor or children that are malnourished.
It's a relief that we can walk in unity. It is really heartwarming to see many Knights. We have strength in numbers.
I walk because I value life.
I walk for life because I treasure life.